So Rachel and Suzanne, I wanted to say I'm sorry about not handing this assignment in on time to allow other students to take a look at what's going on here. But I did want to give you guys at least a look at what's going on at my homepage at City College. So if you come into the page, you'll see here I have Welcome United States History 3, 1945 to the present. I have underneath here a blurb about U.S. History 3, and right above it I do have the start here question and answer forum. That's the general questions for the course, and I also have the course policies and more resources up here. So if you go down a little bit further, you'll see instructor, my name, you'll see contact, how to contact me, response time, office hours, and then down here is the getting started, which students do have to go back up to hit the start button, but the start here I think is pretty obvious for that too, and that leads into everything else. Most of this was standardized from my own CC, but I added the getting started part that you guys had asked for because they basically said that this is okay to have. But I do appreciate that you guys asked for that. So by hitting start here, it actually heads directly into the orientation module, and it goes from there. And then from there, you have meet your instructor, a little bit about me, and it continues on. I'll talk about that in the orientation module this week. I wanted to say I am sorry about not posting on time. I did miss the Wednesday. I thought we only had one thing to post on Wednesday, and I did not see the posting for the welcome page. Please forgive me, and if there's any other work that I can do to make this up, please let me know. Best, John.